Hi, I'm Lee from Toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to show you the ROK 800 watt laser guide jigsaw. As you can see, it comes in a black moulded carrying case. In the case we get a side fence, we get the warranty instructions, we also get a wood cutting jigsaw blade which will enable to cut up to 100mm. And we also get the Allen key which will enable us to change the jigsaw blade. With any power tool like this, we always recommend that you use safety goggles and or safety specs. The jigsaw itself. The jigsaw has an oscillating feature. It has 3 modes, 1, 2 and 3. When in full oscillating action, the jigsaw will make the blade oscillate like so. So when ripping through timber, we'll rip through a lot quicker. When in non-oscillating mode, the jigsaw blade will just go up and down like so, and will give you a smoother cut without causing any splintering. The jigsaw also has a 6-speed gearbox, which is useful when using different types of jigsaw blades. When scroll cutting, doing small curves, it won't burn the timber. The jigsaw has a dustless extraction, so you can attach a vacuum, that'll take the dust away and will make the machine dustless. This jigsaw also has a laser guide, so you can put the laser on. When the machine is plugged in, we will get a laser coming out the front, so we can follow any lines that you're cutting against. The jigsaw also comes with a rip fence. Which is easily lockable with a jigsaw. So in cutting on a straight edge, we can judge how far we come in, thus giving us a straight cut. Bear in mind, this will only be as useful as a straight edge that you've got the guide against. To mount the jigsaw blade, we just drop the blade into the blade holder. We have 2 locking screws on the front, which we tighten up, and the blade is secure in the jigsaw. That is the ROK jigsaw. Let's see the machine perform. And don't forget, all ROK power tools come with a 2-year warranty.